Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share our recap or our overview of the month because let me just tell you, I do not know how this is physically or mentally possible, but the months go by faster and faster and faster every single month. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I just go, wait a minute, what? How could it be that day already? So, woo! Fast. Okay, here we go. We started out the month with our lantern fold it. Now, if you did not get on that lantern fold it, I'm not even going to show it to you because you can't get it. It's gone. It's gone forever. We're already onto our newest Fold It Club. So my friends, if you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot buy those items on our website. The only way you can get those Fold It, and what are Fold Its? They are shaped cards. The only way you can get those items is if you're in the Fold It Club. So go check that out. We started out the month on the 1st with our Stamp and Die Hard Club set. They are the cute peeking critters. Now, when I say cute, I mean extra, extra duper, duper, amazingly awesome cute. I have no words for them in all honesty because I love them so much. They're so fun. They are so playful. And they are so dang exciting, right? So there we go. We have those cute little guys. Then we also released our simple stand-up card, which is perfect for our little peeking critters. And it's so incredibly versatile. It came with these big words, came with lots of big words. My friend, get well, thanks. And they're nice and large. I love them. Let's see here. Oh, here's that hello friend. That came in the simple stand-up. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how fun that is. I love that little guy. Oh, here's another one. I have to just show you a couple of the critters because they're just too dang cute for words. We also released our Stand and Say Give Thanks. This set is, the Stand and Say sets are so popular because everyone likes vertical. Vertical is just something different. It's not straight horizontal. It is fun and different. So Give Thanks is now available. Also, more words, Happy Thanksgiving. And here's another option of the Happy Thanksgiving. Love that. This is also the tags. We released tags 5 different sizes in the stitch dot pattern all the way around those tags. So go check those out. But look at how gorgeous that pumpkin is. Don't you just love it? I love it. I love it. We also released our rounded arch A2 step up card. This step up card is so fun because it has all of that ability to make that step up like that. Also, the month before, we released other panels that would fit on here perfectly. And look how gorgeous that is. Happy fall. So fun. So go check that out. We also released, for a limited time, very, very limited time, the cute, adorable wax seal. So the wax seal, here it is. The wax seal is so fun. This time it comes with the handle and the brass piece. It's that cute little turkey. Fun thing is it's this turkey right here, the Fold It, and it comes with the wood, natural wood colored handle, which is so fun. We also released words or stamps to go with our turkey Fold It. So sometimes you just need some extra words, and I made this stamp set last year because I needed it. So now we put it into production this year for all of you. So that's available on the website. Oh yeah. We love this font. We all know we do. So we have it in Happy Halloween. We have it in Happy Thanksgiving, which is right here. Now we have it in Merry Christmas, but wait. There's another one. Let's see if Stephanie has it right here. She does not. It is Happy. Hang on. I got to find it now because I've already talked about it. Here it is. It is Happy Holidays. Look at that. Look at that. So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays come together. So you're getting even a better special price on those because I knew I would have trouble deciding which one to get. Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas. So you get both and a little special extra deal on those. Okay. So there we have those. Here's another Give Thanks Stand and Say, which I absolutely love. Speaking of large and in charge, what? 5x7 rectangle flip it. Look at this. It comes with these words. Happy, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Also comes with a die that will allow you to put a gift card on the side, which is awesome. Then we release, this is our kit club. Our kit club, you guys, I'm telling you, I'm madly, deeply in love with it. Oh, this one's a little sealed. There we go. Look at this. So adorable. You deserve a high five. Comes with those words. And the paper pad, you guys, is amazing. So it comes with the card kit. I just want to show you a couple of the pages because they are so fun. And wait for it. Wait. Oh, die cut pages. Oh yeah, there's die cut pages. It also comes with this awesome Talk Bubble A1 card base. Love it. Now, last but not least, Stephanie needed this, so I just got it. It is neon cardstock. I showed this in the video earlier, but look, it is white core, so you can do the tearing techniques that you love. But look at this. You are getting neon green, neon yellowish green, neon light orange, neon, where's the dark? Neon dark orange, and pink. So if you've ever needed neon, before you purchase this, put your sunglasses on. Okay, I'm just saying. My friends, club members, you know how this all works. You're getting club discounts on all of these items. Yes, every single day, every single time you order, every single item. If you are not in one of our clubs, you can be in one of our clubs for as little as $13.99 a month. It's like 40 cents a day. For 40 cents a day, you can't even buy a cup of coffee for 40 cents a day. For 40 cents a day, not only are you in the club getting a 15% discount off of the entire website every day, every time you order every item, but you are also getting a stamp set sent to you automatically each month as well. Go check out our website, stampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video because you're going to be amazed at what we can do with your club. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.